In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print multiple per page in Canva. This is really helpful if you're creating things like flashcards, labels, thank you cards, or small prints and you want to save paper or get several copies on a single sheet. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can follow along in your own Canva account. First, open your design in Canva. Once you're on the design page, look for the page thumbnails, usually along the bottom or side of the screen. Find the page you want to print multiple times. To duplicate it, hover over that page and click on the small plus sign or duplicate icon. Each time you click this, Canva will create an exact copy of that page. Go ahead and duplicate it as many times as you need copies. For example, if you want 4 of the same design on your final printed sheet, create 4 identical pages in your Canva document. Once you've duplicated your pages, you're ready to prepare the file for printing. At the top right corner of the Canva screen, click on the Share button. This is the same button you'd use to share a link, but it also contains download options. From the Share menu, choose Download. This opens a panel where you can choose how your design will be exported. Here, click on the field labeled File Type. Canva offers several options like PNG, JPG, and PDF. For printing multiple per page, select PDF Print. This format gives you the best quality and is more compatible with printer settings that let you place several pages on one sheet. After selecting PDF Print, look for a More option in that same download area. Click on More to see additional ways to get your design out of Canva. Among those options, choose Print with Canva. This tells Canva you want to use its built-in printing tools, which can help you arrange multiple copies efficiently. When you click Print with Canva, the platform will guide you through a series of on-screen prompts. Follow these carefully. You will be able to review how your design will be printed, confirm the number of copies, and make sure everything looks correct. Depending on your region and Canva's interface updates, you may see options related to layout, paper size, or quantity. Just continue clicking